Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to wipe PC before selling on Windows 10 so you can safely erase your personal data and prepare your computer for a new owner. Step 1. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you access system tools and begin changing important Windows settings. Step 2. Type Settings into the search bar and click on Settings from the results. The Settings app is used to control Windows features, security options, and recovery tools. Step 3. Click on Update and Security inside the Settings window. This section manages Windows updates, system protection, and reset options. Step 4. Scroll down the left panel and click on Recovery. This area contains tools that help you reset or restore your PC when needed. Step 5. Under Recovery Options, click on Get Started. This begins the process of resetting your PC and choosing how much data to remove. Step 6. Click on Remove Everything to delete all files, apps, and settings from the computer. This step is essential when selling your PC to protect your personal information. Step 7. Click on Local Reinstall to reinstall Windows using files already stored on your device. This option is faster and does not require an internet connection. Step 8. Click on Next to confirm your selections and move forward. Windows will now prepare the system for a full reset. Step 9. Wait for the PC reset process to complete, as this can take some time depending on your system. Once finished, your PC will be restored to a fresh, factory-like state. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows guides.